Groupies?
Yeah,
I wouldn't really say that was much of a coward.
Nah, don't worry. Just wait. There's a certain part later on that you'll find fucking hilarious.
Right, so we've got to do this bug shit again.
Yeah, with the shield.
Oh, actually.
What are you doing? You don't need to. That
I
carried
want
on.
to. I want to.
No. You're wasting time, bitch.
Whoa, shit.
Here we go.
If you died, you get full ammo again.
No.
Oh, I was jumping. Where am I?
You're next to me.
I better not fall.
You won't. See? Come on, we'll just run through this part. Well, you guys so slow, eh?
Gotta get my bolts. Hey, you moan like that, and I won't. Actually, you've already got the trophy. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Hey, if you moan like that, I can
Fuck
still
myself
play
out.
it.
Trophy.
Oh. Chris, triangle, Chris. Right, have you got your shield equipped? You don't have your shield? Okay, you fucked yourself out of that trophy.
How do I restart?
You can't unless we quit and rehost.
Oh.
It's easier done on solo anyway. And it doesn't take that long. With Quark, I did it in, I don't know, like 3 minutes?
It's all your fault.
Right.
Making us rush through.
I wasn't rushing through. I said, have you got your shield equipped before you ran up?
Ah!
Oh, and I was jumping now.
Did it hit me?
But yeah, now we don't have to really worry about getting hit.
Yeah.
I guess.
Don't worry. You know where we started, just.
Hmm.
That's where you'll start on solo.
Fair enough.
So it's not hard.
Ow.
He's dead.
Ratchet and Clank.
You know you don't actually have to jump.
I'm going to. Oh shit, I thought that. I'm going to be a while.
Come
I'm
on,
making
dude.
progress.
Yeah, you can't break it. Kill him! Kill him!
It's not working.
Noobs.
Ready, pal?
What? Why didn't you pick up ammo?
Because you're full.
Get ready, Ratchet. Let's do this.
You know, this one always hit me until I used Quark with his shield. And now that I've got the trophy, I can jump it every fucking time.
Oh, seems there.
Mm-hmm.
Get ready, Ratchet. Let's roll.
Yeah.
Woo! Oh, Chris got it that time.
Found ammo.
Oh, we both got it.
Oh,
Yeah.
We will not hurt.
enjoy your thousands of bolts. Yeah, come on, this way. I mean, you guys don't have to worry about critters.
Nice work.
The only thing they do for you is to help you get the rhino, but I've already got more than enough, so...
Is there a trophy for that?
No.
Ah, fuck it then. We're trapped.
To be honest, I'm quite enjoying this game.
Ratchet Clank's always a fun game.
No, like, I thought it would be, well, not as artistic, but it's really nice colors and it's crisp.
I mean, Ratchet Clank's always been a really good game. That's why I play every single one that comes out.
Yeah.
Screw that.
Oh,
Beasting them.
Holy crap.
Maybe I should stop
Just
using
side
the
rolls.
rhino.
You were?
Maybe I should stop using the rhino.
Yeah.
Make things too easy.
I'll do
Oh
it.
shit.
Lols.
I blatantly did that on purpose.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, they're both locked onto me.
Uh,
Why did you run straight into the wrong weapon, Chris? Wrong weapon.
Yeah, help! Help!
Okay, he's locked onto you. I'll go kill him.
whoops.
Right, get the bolts.
There's bolts.
Oh. There's going to be a ton of bolts up here as well.
I'm ready. I am ready.
I need a sidekick over here. Good work, cadet.
Up here, guys.
Ours.
Bolts here.
Ooh,
I
shiny.
think that, yeah, there's a bolt here for Chris. Nothing else over there, James. And you almost fell off the ledge then.
No, I need to drill again.
Wrong weapons, guys. Wrong gadgets.
No.
Okay, James got there in the end. Chris, hold right. Hold right.
Right on the right analog stick and R1.
Yeah.
What?
And R1.
What? What? What the hell? This is weird.
Right. Hold right and press R1. Keep the analog stick in a direction. And that'll keep the menu up. You see where you've got... Oh, yeah, you're on it.
Fucking hell.
Okay. We got there in the end. Right, now press down, press down, press down. Yeah.
I feel like I'm
Now,
on a space hopper.
just keep... well, basically don't change weapon. Just use down on the D-pad now
Yeah.
to switch back.
Yeah.
Because we've got to use the Quake hammer on this level as well. Oh, you only just won that time, James. But yeah, you know you have to dodge those grove beetles on the level we just did. You also have to carry on through this level and dodge them on this level as well that we're about to do.
Ah.
There's like 3 in each level, so it's not too bad.
Well, I can level up my shield now.
Providing it actually lets you at the store.
Cloak FU. Oh, Clank FU.
Clank Foo.
Clank fuck you.
Oh, I so wanted you fall then. Right, double points.
Ooh. Let's go. Come on, guys.
Okay, we're all on the wrong one. Okay. I'll get this one. I'm stuck on something, there we go. Even if you kept it, you wouldn't keep it till we got to the next set of bolts anyway. By the way, there's... Over here. Shoot it.
Take that, nature.
Nature.
Good work, cadet.
Yeah, go on.
Glory is ours.
What was that?
I'll just borrow this.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Ratchet.
Ammo.
We got ammo here.
And bolts.
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with.
Why do you guys double jump for it?
I didn't mean to.
What?
Oh god, here we go
Nice.
again.
Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh yeah, he's on it.
Yay!
What the?
And do not ask how you get those bolts up there because I have no idea.
Well played, Ratchet. I taught you well.
Yeah. Oh shit.
You walked straight off that.
I love the fact that you watched me do it,
Yeah.
dick.
What? You could clearly see the edge there. Okay, stop hammering, stop hammering.
Why?
Because they just keep making them blow up.
More ammo.
Ooh, I thought there was enemies down here. Right, get ready to jump.
There appears to be another blast bulb here.
Oh, who did that?
I told you get ready to jump.
Come on, Bull. Land on me.